Here's the latest on NASA's X-59 QueSST quiet supersonic aircraft. NASA's X-59 supersonic test plane rolled out and taxi tested under its own power for the first time on July 10, 2025, at U.S. Air Force Planter Macron 42 in Palmdale, California, with test pilot Nils Larson behind the controls. This marks the beginning of low-speed taxi trials of the final series of ground tests before the aircraft's maiden flight, expected later in 2025. During these tests, NASA and Lockheed Martin engineers validated critical systems of steering, braking, stability feedback and will progressively increase taxi speeds in upcoming weeks toward high-speed runs just short of takeoff velocity. This milestone follows previous achievements in earlier 2025, including full engine tests, with afterburner, simulated flight testing, aluminium bird, and comprehensive systems integration checks. Copyright Idiaris Cedillo. What made the rollout significant? It's the first time X-59 moved on its own power, under its own control system. Success in these taxi tests builds confidence in the aircraft's control surfaces and mechanical integrity. They pave the way for higher-speed taxi tests and first flight later in 2025, a critical progression of the quiet supersonic technology, QueSST, mission. The X-59 matters, designed to fly at Mach 1.4 a 1.5, a Macron 925 a 937 a Macron miles per hour, at 55,000 a Macron feet, while producing a quieter sonic thump, 75 a Macron decibels, instead of a disruptive boom to pave the way for supersonic passenger flight over land. Built by Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works, X-59 borrows components from military aircraft at AR-38 cockpit, FA-16 landing gear, while its stretched nose and forward-mounted engine mitigate shockwave formation. Data from upcoming overflights will be used to engage with FAA and global regulators on updating the 50-year-old supersonic flight ban over land. Planned community overflight tests starting around 2026 will gather public response to the aircraft's acoustic signature and influence future regulations. The timeline at a glance. Date milestone, Jan 12, 2024. Formal public rollout unveiling X-59 early 2025 systems simulation, aluminium bird, engine and EM tests July 10, 2025. First low-speed taxi, rollout, next few weeks, 2025. High-speed taxi trials late 2025. First flight expected 2026 onward. Community overflight noise testing. Aerospace regulatory engagement. In summary, yay, so the X-59 did roll, and it's now moving methodically through its ground test program. Taxi tests are underway, paving the way to flight later in 2025, and eventually community sound trials that may shape the future of commercial supersonic travel.